Hi everyone. My name is David. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here and share my passion for Flutter development with you. As a Flutter developer with years of experience, I've had the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects, from mobile apps to web apps, and everything in between. I'm always eager to learn and try out new things in the world of tech, and I love helping others do the same. On this channel, you'll find tutorials, tips, tricks, live coding sessions, and other tech-related content. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced developer, there's something here for you. But this channel isn't just about me sharing my knowledge with you, it's also about building a community. I want to hear from you, your feedback, your questions, and your ideas. So, please don't hesitate to leave comments, ask questions, and connect with me on social media. That's a little bit about me and what you should expect on this channel. I hope you'll join me on this exciting journey of learning and growing in the world of Flutter development. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.